back to 20 car. The 2026 Pagani Imola Unofficial Concept is a rolling sculpture, designed not just to move but to mesmerize. Its exterior embodies aerodynamic ferocity, an elongated carbon fiber body sculpted with razor-sharp lines, flowing intakes, and a wing that looks like it could slice the sky. Every vent, curve, and surface is optimized for downforce, giving it the presence of a jet fighter wrapped in Italian artistry. Step inside, and the dashboard feels like an artisan's masterpiece fused with space-age tech. Polished aluminum switches, exposed carbon weave, and a digital display blend tradition with modernity. It's an environment where craftsmanship and performance meet seamlessly. Moving to the rear cabin, the Imola stays unapologetically driver-focused, offering a stripped yet elegant space with Alcantara-wrapped panels and titanium accents, a cocoon that reminds you this car is meant to be experienced, not just driven. Under its lightweight skin, the Imola hides a rumored twin-turbocharged V12 pushing beyond 850 horsepower, paired with a lightning-fast dual-clutch transmission. This beast launches from 0 to 100 kilometers height in an estimated 2.6 seconds, cementing its status among the fastest machines on Earth. Competitors like the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport, Koenigsegg Jesko, and Aston Martin Valkyrie may battle for supremacy, but the Pagani Imola concept carries the spirit of exclusivity and handcrafted individuality that others cannot replicate. The projected price tag? Around $5.5 million, ensuring that ownership remains an affair of rarity and ultimate prestige. The 2026 Pagani Imola concept is more than a hypercar, it's an ode to passion, technology, and the relentless pursuit of perfection on wheels.